To play the Lion King set-top games, you will need to use the arrow keys on your remote control. Then, press Enter to make a selection. While playing Timon's Grab-a-Grub, you will only need to use the arrow keys. Good luck!
Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Is this thing on? Can they hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, sorry.
Oh boy, we're going to have fun today at the zoo. What should we do first? Click on a picture and let's get started.
Match this sound to the animal it belongs to. Good guess, but it's not the right guess. Don't worry, you'll get it. Just try again. Nope, that's not it. But you're getting close. Keep trying. Maybe you have a grub stuck in your ear. Better try again. Better luck next time. Try again, okay? Hey, it sounds like you better try again. Oh, maybe we should try one more time, okay? Hey, this takes practice, but don't give up. You can try again. That animal makes a different sound. Why don't you try again? Boy, you're not monkeying around, are you? Monkeys it is. Wow, you sure are smart. That's the sound of the African gray parrot. Yep, you guessed it. I'm most definitely a warthog, and that's one of the sounds I make. And that's another one. Oh, that's right. You just heard a crocodile. So now we should run! A baboon? Good. Gosh, he sounds like he's going bananas. That's right, a hyena. But just 'cause he's laughing doesn't mean anything's funny. You betcha, that's the trumpet of an elephant. Ain't no denying, that's the sound of a lion. Guess that was an easy one. Sounds sorta like Simba, huh? Match this sound to the animal it belongs to. You betcha, that's the trumpet of an elephant. Hey, you're good at this. And 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3.